Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a grid motion background in DaVinci Resolve. First, navigate to the Edit page and drag a Fusion composition onto your timeline. Next, open the Fusion page. Here, you will add a background node, connecting its output to the Media Out node. Crucially, set the background node's alpha value to 0. This creates a transparent canvas, allowing your grid to seamlessly integrate with other video elements, providing a clean foundation for your motion graphic. Now, let's craft the grid lines themselves. Add a grid node, connecting it directly to your transparent background node. In the Inspector panel, you can precisely control the number of rows and columns to define your grid's density. For a clean, uniform look, set the major line spacing to 0. Then, select your preferred line color and adjust the line width. These simple steps allow you to customize the visual foundation of your motion background, making it truly unique. To bring your grid to life, add a transform node after your grid node. This is where the magic of animation happens. At the start of your clip, set a keyframe for the center Y or center X property. Then, move to the end of your clip and adjust the value to create movement. Open the spline editor, select all keyframes, and click the Set Loop button for continuous motion. Finally, set the transform node's edges to wrap for an infinite, seamless scrolling effect. To elevate your grid's appearance, consider adding some visual effects. Insert a Lens Distort node after your transform node to introduce a subtle curved or warped effect, adding depth to your background. Experiment with the distortion amount to find the perfect look. For a more stylized feel, you might also add a soft glow node, adjusting its settings to create an ethereal or futuristic aesthetic. Remember to fine-tune blend modes and opacity to achieve your desired visual impact and polish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.